Within your Uconnect system is the electric vehicle app that allows you to see your vehicle's power flow, understand your driving history, and set a charging schedule for your vehicle's high-voltage battery. To access the app, press the Vehicle button on the main menu bar of the touchscreen. From there, select the Electric Vehicle tab. Power Flow shows you the current power readings for various systems. Driving History shows the miles driven in the current and previous weeks. Charging Schedule allows you to set a charging schedule for your vehicle to make sure it's charged and ready when you need it. Your vehicle may also have the ability to set a climate schedule so the interior is just the right temperature when you're ready to drive. AC charging level allows you to select the rate at which your vehicle charges. You can select from 1 to 5, with 1 being the lowest rate and 5 being the highest rate. Maximum battery level allows you to choose between being able to charge your battery to 100% capacity or 80%, which can help to optimize battery performance over its lifetime. The creep setting allows the vehicle to slow to a rolling speed when lifting your foot from the accelerator. When off, the vehicle will come to a complete stop. Some vehicles allow you to set the regeneration level from the electric vehicle app as well. Energy gets recovered through braking when releasing your foot from the accelerator, and this setting allows you to choose the braking intensity used to do so. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.